lecture we have completed chapter number 5 part 1 introduction of lines and angles. Today we are going to start part 2 exercise 5.1. So let's begin. So let us start with exercise 5.1. In my previous lecture I explained you the introduction of chapter number 5 where we discussed important definitions and different types of angles. Complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, linear pair angles and vertically opposite angles. So our exercise 5.1 is based on these topics. If you missed part 1, you can check the description box, the link is there. Question number 1. Find the complement of each of the following angles. What are complementary angles? Two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their measures is 90 degree. First part 20 degree. We have to find out complement of 20 degree. So we'll subtract 90 degree minus 20 degree, that is equal to 70 degree. Second part complement of 63 degree. So write here 90 degree minus 63 degree. So subtract, answer is 27 degree. Third part 57 degree. So complement of 57 degree 90 degree minus 57 degree. So the answer is 33 degree. Question number 2. Find the supplement of each of the following angles. What are supplementary angles? Two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180 degree. First part 105 degree. So you will subtract 180 degree minus 105 degree. So the answer is 75 degree. Second part 87 degree. Supplement of 87 degree. Subtract 180 degree minus 87 degree. 10 minus 7 3. Then 7 it will be 93 degree. Third part 154 degree. Supplement of 154 degree. 180 degree minus 154 degree. So the answer is 26 degree. Question number 3. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. When the sum is 90 degree, it is complementary angles, and when the sum is 180 degree, it is supplementary angles. First part 65 degree, 115 degree. Let us find out the sum. 65 degree plus 115 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. So these are supplementary angles. Second part 63 degree, 27 degree. Find out the sum. 63 degree plus 27 degree, that is equal to 90 degree. So these are complementary angles. Third part 112 degree, 68 degree. Find out the sum. 112 degree plus 68 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. So these are supplementary angles. So students, 4 to 6 part will be a homework. You have to solve them in the same way. Question number 4. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. हमें ऐसा angle find out करना है जो कि अपने complement के equal हो. So suppose dash plus dash is equal to 90 degree. As we know that two angles are said to be complementary if their sum of the measure is 90 degree. So let the angle here be x and x. So let us write this statement. Let the angle be x. So equation is x plus x is equal to 90 degree. X plus x will be 2x, that is equal to 90 degree. So we have to remove the number dividing 2 both the sides. So x is equal to 90 degree upon 2. So value of x is coming 45 degree. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. So x is equal to 45 and 45 plus 45, that is 90 degree. So complement is 45. Question number 5. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. So this question is similar to question number 4. Two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. So here we don't know the angles. Two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degree and both are equal. These two are equal. So let the angle be x. Right here, let the angle be x. So the statement is x plus x is equal to 180 degree. Solve the equation x plus x 2x, that is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to, we will divide 180 degree upon 2. So the value of x is coming 90 degree. So find the angle which is equal to its complement. 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Question number 6. In the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. Angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. If angle 1 is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary? अगर आप एंगल 1 को डिक्रीज करते हो, कम करते हो, what changes you will do in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary? Suppose अगर आपका एंगल 1 है 130 डिग्री, this I am giving you the example, and angle 2 है आपका 50 डिग्री. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree. So 130 degree plus 50 degree, that is 180 degree. अगर हम एंगल 1 को डिक्रीज करते हैं, एंगल 1 is 130 degree, I am decreasing it by 30 degree. So it will be 100 degree plus सेम एंगल को आप इंक्रीज करेंगे एंगल 2 में. So 50 degree plus 30 degree is 80 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. So both the angles still remain supplementary. What you will do, if you are decreasing angle 1, with the same angle you will increase angle 2 so that both the angles remain supplementary. So you will write here, therefore angle 2 will increase. अगर एंगल 1 डिक्रीज हो रहा है तो एंगल 2 हमारा इंक्रीज होगा. So now let us solve question number 7 onwards to stream. Question number 7. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are number 1 acute? The question says, क्या आपके दो acute angles supplementary हो सकते हैं? So first of all, let us discuss what are acute angles. Acute angles are more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Means it will lie from 1 degree to 89 degree. Those are acute angles. अगर आप सबसे बड़ा acute angle लेते हैं, that is 89 degree. So 89 degree plus 89 degree is how much? That is 178 degree. So 178 degree is less than 90 degree. आप कोई भी दो acute angles लेते हैं, it will always be less than 90 degree. So answer is no. Second part, obtuse. अगर आप दो obtuse angles लेते हैं, can it be supplementary? So students, obtuse angles are more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So it will lie from 91 degree to 179 degree. So let us take here the lowest obtuse angle, that is 91 degree. So 91 degree plus 91 degree, that is 182 degree. 182 degree is more than 90 degree. So students, the answer will be no, because their sum will always be more than 180 degree. Third part, right angle. What are right angle? Right angle are always 90 degree. So 90 degree plus 90 degree will be how much? It is 180 degree. So answer is yes. If two angles are right angle, both measures will be 90 degree and they can form supplementary pair. Question number 8. An angle is greater than 45 degree. Is its complementary angle greater than 45 degree or equal to 45 degree or less than 45 degree? So here we have to take an angle that is greater than 45 degree. So we have to tell that whether its complementary angle is greater than 45 degree, equal to 45 degree or less than 45 degree. So let us take an angle 50 degree. It is greater than 45 degree. So 50 degree plus x is equal to 90 degree. Why 90 degree? Because we know that sum of two angles should be 90 degree as they are saying complementary angle. So 50 degree plus x is 90 degree. X is equal to 90 degree minus 50 degree, that is equal to 40 degree. So it is less than 45 degree. Let us take second example. 46 degree, it is greater than 45 degree plus x is equal to 90 degree. So x is equal to 90 degree minus 46 degree, that is equal to 44 degree, and it is also less than 45 degree. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all understood Guri ma'am's class. So chapter number 5 exercise 5.1 we have completed. Practice all these questions at home. Now in next class we'll start with part 3. So stay connected, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.